Investing in Dubai has always been a profitable deal. As you know, Dubai has always been an international hub. People from almost every part of the globe are not only investing here but also choosing it as their home. What is the reason? So, what makes Dubai one of the most attractive cities in the world? When it comes to real estate investment, Dubai is one of the best destinations in the world, and investing here is always a dream scenario. Why? Because Dubai offers residents and investors many advantages that are not available anywhere else in the world. Hi friend, this is Muhammad Shoaib, your trusted real estate advisor, and today I will tell you about the top 10 reasons which make Dubai the investment haven for the future. So the number one reason buying property in Dubai is hassle free. You just need a valid passport copy, email and mobile number. You are sitting anywhere in the world, you can book your dream property in Dubai. So the second reason is zero taxes when you buy or sell your property in Dubai. And the third reason is golden visa. Yes, when you buy property in Dubai worth 2 million AED, you and your family get 10 years golden visa from Dubai government. Fourth reason, the higher rental income and capital appreciation. The minimum rental income is 8 to 9% and you don't pay any taxes on the rental value. The appreciation on your investment is double or triple in a very short span of time. Fifth reason, Dubai is the safest city in the world with the very low crime rates, whether you are citizen or visitor. Dubai police is always alert to protect you. Sixth reason, Dubai has the best infrastructure in the world, whether it's a mall, beaches or a road network or ease of doing business. Dubai attracts millions of visitors every year which increase the demand and supply. So the seventh reason is diversity. Dubai attracts highly skilled workforce from all around the world. Expatriates comprises over 80% of the population and more than 200 nationalities are working and living harmoniously in Dubai. So the eighth reason is high quality of life and work in Dubai. Whether you are a visitor or resident, you can enjoy the best food, the best shopping, best beaches and the best culture in Dubai. If you are businessman, you can start your business in less than 48 hours, open a bank account and enjoy your business. So the ninth reason is protection. If you are investing in Dubai, you are 100% protected by law. We have Dubai Land Department which has introduced the escrow law to protect your money which you are investing in Dubai. 10th and the most important reason is the visionary leadership. Our ruler, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, dreamed and worked towards making Dubai the most popular business destination in the world. It is his vision only that today Dubai is the most tolerant, safest and growing economy in the world. This is the reason people from all over the world want to work, live and invest here. So come and invest in Dubai before it's too late to live your dream. We are here to assist you.